The dual-band NMO Antenna HYS is designed to operate efficiently on both VHF and UHF frequencies, specifically at 144 MHz and 430 MHz, making it versatile for various communication needs. With its impressive gain of 3 decibels at 144 MHz and 5 decibels at 430 MHz, this antenna ensures strong signal reception and transmission. The antenna supports a maximum power input of 100 watts, allowing for robust performance even in demanding situations. Constructed with a 20-inch flexible stainless steel whip, the antenna is both durable and able to withstand harsh conditions. The included L-shaped mount and 13-foot RG58 coax cable make it suitable for rugged and secure installations on vehicles such as cars and trucks. Compatible with popular mobile radios from brands like Motorola and Kenwood, this antenna provides a reliable communication solution for radio enthusiasts.